And now find a space to sit or lie down and settle into a nice, comfortable position and gently close your eyes. This meditation is designed to help you find answers and clarity to what might be causing you to worry, overthink, or experience distress or other negative emotions. In this meditation, you can discover the truth about yourself and the answers you seek about anything in your life through your own brilliant mind and loving heart. Deep down, your mind knows the truth to whatever you want answers for in your own life. Now begin focusing on the breath and settling into a nice, deep breathing pattern. A nice, deep breathing rhythm allows you to just relax and be comfortable, to begin to feel peace. Settle into that peace now and relax into that deep breathing rhythm, slightly deeper than you'd normally breathe, but not so deep as to be forced, just deep enough to take you past your normal limits. Breathing in deeply and breathing out deeply, creating a circle of breathing. As soon as you have exhaled, you inhale. As soon as you breathe out, you breathe in, creating a gentle rocking motion with your chest and abdomen rising as you breathe in and falling as you breathe out. Focus on your breathing and feel the peace flooding you and your completely relaxed body. And as you continue to breathe in that nice, deep breathing rhythm, start to really feel every single breath in and begin to focus on your heart. Imagine now that every single breath in is coming in through your heart and out through your heart. Yes, just feel every single breath as if it's passing through your heart. We know we can't actually breathe through our hearts, but we synchronize them, bringing them into coherence when we breathe through our hearts with our mind. If we place all our attention into breathing in and breathing out through our hearts, we are able to align our hearts and minds for clarity, truth, and answers. And as we do so, we open our hearts up, free our hearts up, so it can connect with our mind, allowing the two to become one, simply by breathing in and breathing out through our hearts. And if it helps with your concentration, as you breathe in, simply say to yourself, heart breath. As you breathe out, simply say to yourself, heart breath. If you want a physical anchor, You may want to take your right hand and place it slightly to the left of center on your chest, where your heart is. That may also help you to focus on actually physically feeling each and every breath. Let each and every breath pass out through your heart. Just for a few moments now. Just allow that process to happen. Feeling the peace and tranquility that brings. Focusing on breathing in and breathing out through your heart as you continue to breathe through your heart. And now, begin to consider an area of your life where you would like more clarity, more understanding or awareness. And maybe there's a question that needs answering. Maybe there's a situation that needs resolving that may have eluded you before from experiencing clarity about this situation. Just consider that area for a moment as you continue to breathe through your heart. Just consider what the question is. What question needs answering? What situation needs resolution? Which area needs clarity? Just ponder that for a moment. But instead of going deep into the problem, back out of it and consider it from an observer's point of view. Don't get over involved in the situation. And if you find yourself wrapped up in the situation, that's okay. Just notice yourself doing it and remind yourself to come back out to the observer's point of view. Just remind yourself not to fully engage, to stand at a distance, to see, hear, and feel everything from that bystander's point of view. And as you do so, ask yourself the question, what's the truth about this situation? What's the truth for me in this situation? And then listen to your thoughts. Really listen. Don't overanalyze. Just let the truth float into your mind. Pay attention to the thoughts without engaging. Just notice that they're there. See what comes up as you continue to breathe through your heart and listen to your thoughts. Know the thoughts are the answers, the truth in this situation. Pay attention to your thoughts now as they come into your mind to help you find your truth. When you started this meditation, was there a question that needed answering? What was that question? What was that question that needed answering? And again, ask yourself that question now, taking time to pay attention to your thoughts, because your thoughts have the answers. Simply ask yourself the question and then listen for the answers. Now, as you consider the answers to those questions as the truth, have those answers brought clarity to the situation? Or is there still something that needs more clarifying? just consider for a moment what other perspectives you could see, hear, and feel from the observer's perspective and point of view. What other perspectives are there? What other perspectives can you consider now? How do these new perspectives feel? Do you feel clarity about your new truths? Can you use these new truths to influence your thoughts and actions, to lead you in happier, healthier paths? Does feeling this clarity help you feel more confidence in being able to handle any situations as they come up? Does being able to ask questions of your own mind feel liberating and freeing and empowering? And now, as we begin to wrap up this meditation, both your heart and your mind can continue to work on the questions if you haven't got the answers fully already. But I'm sure with this meditation, you have already started to work on continually clarifying the situation for you. Your mind and heart in rhythm are always offering you the truth, because our heart always tells us the truth. When we ask for the truth is what we get. And now it's time to open your eyes and just come back to the room or the place you're in. Take a look around and now just tune into a couple of sounds. A couple of sounds that you may not have noticed before, or maybe haven't taken the time to notice in a while. Notice those sounds as you come back to the room, and gently come back to the here and now, knowing that the truth is within you. And you can come back to this meditation anytime you need the clarity to come. Do this practice whenever you need the truth and answers to let go of the struggle.